Welcome to another lesson on MIT App Inventor. In the previous lesson, we learned about button and checkbox, and I'm going to look at date picker, image, and label. What are they primarily used for? Now, let's drag the date picker into our phone screen. What is the date picker used for? The date picker is used to select a date. And how can this be styled? Now, for instance, you are creating an app and you want your users to be able to select a date from the app you are building. What you necessarily need to do is to use a date picker. Just drag and drop the date picker in your phone, on your phone screen, on your system, and decide to style it. You can decide to make the background by choosing a color blue or any color of your choice, and then you can decide to style the text color to something that can be visible by your users. I would, for instance, use a light gray. Light gray is quite visible. I can decide to make the font size, let's say 10. And then after which I can decide to actually change the text by saying choose a date. So what I've done successfully is by asking my users to choose their date of birth. Choose your DOB, date of birth. Now what people do is this: when I style this up and add it to my application which I'm building for my users, when my users get to this particular instruction and they click on this button, which is automatically a date picker button, when they click on it, what it does is it gives them, it pops up the date, the year, and the month for them to actually choose their date of birth. So it is probably used for applications where you want users to choose the date of birth. So if you want to try this out, you can connect and also try it out yourself. Let's go to the next one, which is image. Now, what is image? Image is a button that is used to, you already know what the name implies, to bring a button, to bring an image to a phone screen. For instance, you want to build or probably want to have a welcome screen on your mobile application, and you want to actually have an image on your welcome screen, let's say your logo or something. You drag and drop the image. So when you click on image, what you need to do is to come over to picture on your right, come over to picture on this on your right, click on picture and click on upload file. When you click on upload file, it gives you an option to choose file. Click on choose file and then give it a minute or two, and then it will pop up your authentication and the image that's shown on your phone screen. But this image is not appropriately designed. That's to say, you need to actually work on the height and the width of this image. And let's work on the height. For the height, if you put fill parent, for instance, and you put the width as fill parent, what it does is to actually occupy the entire space of your phone screen. But as a professional inventor, what you need to do is to put your percentage. So for percentage, you can, let's say, for the height, let's put a 40%, and then for the width, let's put let's say the 70%. So this is an image, sizable image, and then this image is sizable, which probably could be your logo or anything, and you can actually click scale to fit, which is not going to make your image okay, but it's good to leave it this way, and then that's your image. So when you click on your image, you can try to align everything at center, and then align everything at center, so your image and everything comes to the center, and then you can attach a button that says welcome or a label that says welcome. Now, what is label? Well, label is used to identify something, and label is used for titles. So let's drag a label and put under here. Now, this is a label, and we want a label to be a form of a place where we can put a title or something. So what we need to do in this label is to give a title, text, go to text 1, choose a label title for it. Now let's say welcome. So this is welcome. So this is welcome. We need to style the label. What we need to style is to come to font size and make it 40. Font size, make it 40, and then let's make it a little bit bold, and then make it bold. You can decide to work on the height and the width. But for me, I feel the height and width is okay. And then you can try to choose a text color for it. Let's choose a blue color for it, and so that is that. So this basically is how to style your label. So you now understand what date picker is all about. Date picker is used for you to actually choose a date. So when you connect this to your phone, use AI companion, you understand that all of this would work. If you connect to your phone, you understand that yes, you choose your date of birth, which is date picker. When you click on it, you get to see date, month, and year. When you put an image is used to be able to bring a logo or something, or an image to your application, and then you can use a label to bring kind of a title or a heading for your image or for your application. So this is basically what image is all about, date picker is all about, and label is all about. I believe if you understand this lesson, please do well to like, share, and please do well to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.